Okay guys, yan. Mukhang kompleto na yung ating mga requirements sa PC build natin. Ngayon lang tayo magbi-build ng PC. So, you have to bear with me. So magbibuild tayo ng PC. Meron tayong dumating ngayon. Ito yung PSU. Tapos ito yung dumating na isang araw. Ito yung motherboard. Tapos we are using AMD Ryzen 5 3600. Tapos meron tayong box dito. Ay, ito yung ating nabili na ATX na PC case. Tapos meron tayong RAM, tapos may SSD drive tayo, tapos may HDD drive tayo. So yun ang ating gagamitin dito sa HDD drive sa ating build, no. Meron na rin tayong mga keyboard na nabili. We will be using the old monitor that we used to have on the other computer na ina-upgrade sana namin, pero it wasn't good enough. So yun, we will try this one. Hopefully it will work. See you in a bit. I think this one is nagsimula lang tayo dun sa medyo low end, no, hindi pa masyado dalawang 8 GB RAM. We have 250 SSD SATA drive. Dito natin papatakbuhin yung ating operating software, yung Windows 10. And we have a 1 TB hard drive, no. Kinahoy lang natin ito dun sa lumang computer na, pero okay pa yan. Linisin lang, alisin lang yung fan. Ryzen, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, Ryzen 5 3600. So, yan, nandito na siya. Guys, ayan. So, Tomahawk Max 450 we have there. So, yan. And then, we have a 500 watts Just Stop professional power supply. Ayan, ito yung ating tower. So hopefully this will work. Kapag hindi nag-work, yari. Okay guys, that's a transparent side of the ATX. I think this is a medium mini ATX M case. It comes with 3 RGB lights. Tapos syempre meron po. Naka-set up na dito yung mga cable sa likod. These are all set up. Yung mga USB, it has a 2 it has a 2.0 USB, and then it has one 3.0, tapos power cable, standard power. We have a mic and a headset thing there. So that's at the back. Medyo solid to, pero mura lang, 36 pounds. Alright, so guys, put it all in. This is the moment of truth. Kung magpa-power siya. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Ayan o. Nag-power siya, pero ang problema, hindi pa siya nagana. Kasi, mali pala yung RAM na nabili ko. Hindi pala mali, kundi yung kinuha ko dun sa lumang computer, DDR3 computer yon. So dito, hindi gumana. Hindi siya fit kasi DDR4 yung computer. So, hindi siya gumana. So, hindi siya compatible. Hindi siya nag-fit. Pero, ang good thing is, nag-power siya. Hopefully, tama yung mga cable na nakakonect. Tapos, bukas, hopefully, dadating yung RAM, 16GB RAM. Para masubukan na natin kung gagana siya o hindi sa monitor bukas. Kung gagana, very good. Kung hindi, iyak.